This is Kate. Kate is a managing partner at Gold Fund Capital, an investment firm for emerging tech companies. Kate and her team are evaluating what the heck is causing one of their most promising portfolio companies, Wintec, to fall short of their growth potential. Kate recognizes Wintec's biggest challenge comes down to their hiring. They have an overload of sales and engineering roles they need to fill. They've missed deadlines, hired the wrong people, and now feel the mounting pressure. Kate knows Wintec needs an expert partner they can turn to, and she had just the team, Talent Retriever. As a full-service recruitment consulting firm, Talent Retriever drives growth by cutting through the BS and hiring better quality talent faster. We brought in teams of tech and go-to-market specialists to engage, qualify, and hire top candidates exclusively for Wintec. By connecting them with targeted sourced candidates, they reach their hiring goals on time, and their new employees hit the ground running, producing immediate bottom-line results. Meanwhile, we consulted with their leaders on long-term hiring strategies, making their processes more efficient for the future, which is music to Kate's ears. The successful hires we drove allowed Wintec to deliver a better product, expand their customer base, and double its revenue. Now, thanks to Kate's guidance, Gold Fund was invested in a company that was yielding great return. Once again, Talent Retriever was the solution Kate could rely on to help a promising portfolio company reach their maximum potential.